What's up, guys? I got another cool mod for you. So I got this chrome delete kit from Tufskinz in a gloss TRD red. So this is the 4-piece kit right here for the AC. And then I also got this chrome delete. I know you all know what used to be here, and that is that really ugly chrome trim that used to go here. I really like how everything came out. It matches the first piece I got from Tufskinz. Same TRD gloss red. Everything ties together nicely. Everything fit perfect. It looks like I got some type of red special edition Tundra over here. So my favorite spot is this area right here. Let's get a good look. I think that looks really nice, and I think it'll look even better once I do a little mod right here to delete that chrome. So let's talk about installation. Installation was very simple. As far as the AC goes, you just wipe down the chrome that's there. You take the new pieces, peel off the tape, and place them on. Now I'm going to mention that they are different sizes. The inner ones right here are a little bit thinner than the outer ones. So that's something that, as far as Tufskinz on Amazon, customers there were complaining about, that they didn't know that there were different sizes. But sometimes you gotta do research or read instructions before you just stick something to your truck. As far as this one goes, installation very simple. I do think it's worth explaining because on Amazon there was a customer who complained that this piece does not fit correctly. Then he mentioned that he placed it right on top of the chrome piece that was there and said it didn't fit right. Now, I think that's hilarious and messed up. Hilarious because you completely installed it wrong and it's very simple and obvious. And messed up because, you know, those bad reviews affects the company. And I think you guys should really, you know, think about what you do before you send those bad reviews, because that's not the company's fault that you don't know how to install something correctly. So the installation is, you got to pop out the existing chrome piece that's there. Once you pop out that chrome piece, you can then take the new insert. Well, before you put the insert, you got to wipe it clean, obviously, with alcohol. So once that's ready, you can take the new insert, peel off the tape, and place it, you know, right there. It's going to lay right in there. Mine came out perfect. There was nothing to complain about when it came to this install, and nothing to complain about when it comes to these products from Tufskinz. I am really happy about the result. I love it. If you can see on the top left corner right there, it looks like it's a scratch, but it's not. That's just the reflection. So this piece is perfect, and my crappy camera does not do it justice. If you see this in person, it's amazing. They got different colors. I mean, you can do this in voodoo blue. They got all the OEM colors. You can do it in flat black, glossy black. You know, I think this is a better installation than other people who make this type of product, because I don't have to rip out my center console. I really wanted a solution to this chrome piece, and I didn't want to paint it. I hate painting chrome. I think that is a bad idea. So I wanted a solution without ripping out my center console, and I thought this made the most sense. Plus, I was already putting red in my truck. So this made me really happy. I mean, there's so much good things to say about this, but I don't want to make this video too long. What I would like to ask from Tufskinz is that you please come up with some inserts to put in this Tundra and have the same options as these colors, because I would love to buy from you guys some inserts that go right in these this Tundra engravement, if you want to call it. So I think that would have a nice pop. If you guys haven't seen the video already, I have this also from Tufskinz. That is a custom insert. Obviously it says Cruise TV. You can put whatever you want there. Your channel, your Instagram, your name. You can put Tundra, whatever comes to your mind. So I'm really, really happy about this install. I mean, I look forward to getting in this truck just to see all this awesomeness. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support the channel. If you got any ideas, anything, guys, let me know. Alright, on that note, I'm going to end with have a great day, and I will catch you guys on the next one.